You open your laptop to write one paragraph. The cursor blinks. Your brain feels blank. So you ask AI for a starting point. 30 seconds later, the paragraph is finished, and somehow, it does not feel like yours. Your phone steals attention by interrupting your thoughts. AI can do something quieter. It can interrupt the moment a thought would have become your own. Not your intelligence, not your creativity. Something more fragile, your trust in your ability to think without assistance. At first, this feels like relief. The awkward email becomes polished. The assignment gets an outline. The difficult decision becomes a neat list of pros and cons. Even the message you were scared to send suddenly sounds calm, confident, and perfectly reasonable. AI removes friction, and friction is uncomfortable. But some friction is not a bug. It is the place where your mind discovers what you actually believe. Think about the last time you asked AI to explain something complicated. The answer probably arrived clean, organized, and certain. You understood it while reading. Then someone asked you to explain it without looking, and the idea disappeared. That strange gap matters. Psychologists often call this cognitive offloading, moving part of a mental task into an external tool. You already do it with calendars, calculators, maps, and search engines. Offloading is not automatically harmful. It can free mental space for more important work. The problem begins when the tool does not just hold information for you. It starts choosing the path. AI can select the structure, the tone, the examples, the argument, and even the conclusion before your own thinking has fully arrived. You still click. You still edit. You still approve. So it feels like you made the decision. But approving an answer is not the same mental process as creating one. Research on people using generative AI at work suggests that greater confidence in the AI can be associated with less critical thinking effort. That does not mean AI makes people less intelligent. It means the mind naturally saves energy when a convincing answer appears quickly. Your brain sees a finished bridge and stops asking how to cross the river. That is why this can feel so invisible. There is no dramatic moment where your thinking disappears. There are only tiny moments where you stop one step earlier. You stop before forming the first ugly sentence. You stop before sitting with uncertainty. You stop before noticing that two of your own beliefs conflict. You stop before asking, do I actually agree with this? And after enough repetitions, the blank page can begin to feel heavier than it used to. Not because you lost your ability, because you stopped receiving evidence that you could begin. This is where AI can take something more important than attention. It can take the small, repeated experiences that build self-trust. Every time you struggle with an idea, make a rough attempt, notice what is wrong, and improve it, your mind learns. I can work through confusion. But when the first draft, first opinion, and first direction always arrive from outside you, your brain learns a different lesson. I can continue once something else begins. The danger is not that AI will think exactly like you. The danger is that, slowly, you may stop finding out how you think. And the answer is not to reject AI. A calculator is useful. A map is useful. A second brain can be useful. But a tool should carry weight without choosing your destination. Try a simple rule. Before asking AI, leave evidence of your own mind. Write 3 messy sentences. Make 1 rough decision. List what you already know. Even 60 seconds of imperfect thinking gives AI something to support instead of replace. Second, change the role you give it. Instead of saying, write this for me, try, ask me 3 questions that will help me write this. Instead of, tell me the best decision, try, challenge the decision I am leaning toward. Instead of asking for certainty, ask it to reveal what you may have missed. Now AI becomes a mirror, not a mask. Third, use an ownership check. After reading the answer, close it. Can you explain the idea in your own words? Can you defend the conclusion? Can you name one part you disagree with? If not, the output may be useful, but it is not yours yet. That small pause restores something speed often removes: judgment. Your phone pulls your eyes away from what matters. AI can pull you past the uncomfortable moment where meaning is made. So use it. Let it organize, question, compare, and accelerate. Just do not let convenience become the only voice you trust. The next time the cursor blinks, do not wait for a perfect thought. Give yourself one imperfect one first. Your mind is not broken. It is trying to protect you from effort. But sometimes, that effort is exactly how you remember that your mind still belongs to you.